The woodpecker is one of the most recognizable birds in the world. Its rhythmic drumming echoes through forests in Europe, America, and Asia. But when did these fascinating feathered carpenters first appear? Today, we'll travel back in time to uncover the origins of woodpeckers and see why they became such unique creatures. Scientists believe that the ancestors of woodpeckers appeared about 25 million years ago, during the Oligocene epoch. At that time, the Earth was already home to many bird species, but woodpeckers were just beginning to develop their unique traits. The earliest woodpecker fossils were found in Europe. They reveal that even ancient species had strong beaks and feet adapted for climbing tree trunks. Some researchers suggest that their ancestors resembled tree-dwelling cuckoos. Over time, they evolved stronger skulls, longer tongues, and stiff tail feathers, which helped them cling to trees and survive. Woodpeckers managed to survive and spread across the globe thanks to extraordinary adaptations. A powerful beak, like a chisel, able to pierce even the hardest oak. A shock-absorbing skull, spongy bone structure protects the brain from concussions during repeated strikes. A record-breaking tongue, long, thin, and wrapped around the skull, perfect for extracting insects from deep under the bark. A stiff tail, works like a third leg, giving support while the bird drums on a tree. These features developed over millions of years, making woodpeckers master builders and efficient hunters. Today, woodpeckers live on almost every continent, except Australia and Antarctica. There are about 240 species of them worldwide. In Europe, the great spotted woodpecker is the classic forest drummer. In North America, the pileated woodpecker reaches the size of a crow. In Asia, the rare green woodpecker feeds mostly on ants. Each species adapted to its own environment. Some spend most of their time hammering on tree trunks, while others forage on the ground. Since ancient times, woodpeckers have held a special place in human culture. In Roman mythology, the woodpecker was sacred to Mars, the god of war. In Slavic folklore, its drumming was seen as a sign of prophecy. Today, woodpeckers play a key ecological role. The cavities they carve provide homes for owls, tits, and even squirrels. Without woodpeckers, many forest animals would lose their shelters. So, woodpeckers first appeared on Earth about 25 million years ago. Over time, they became one of the most fascinating and ecologically important birds. Their drumming is not just noise, it's a reminder of how nature perfected these forest engineers over millions of years.